Thank you for joining me once again in the shop. Today, we're going to be making ourselves some Damascus. I got some 1080, some 5920, and we're going to forge that out into a medium layer billet, probably around 70 or 90 layers. And we're going to forge ourselves a little Quillion Dagger. So this is going to be hopefully a four part build is the plan. I don't know what I'm making the guard out of yet, or the pommel, but we're going to start with the blade and just kind of see where the piece goes from there. So we'll throw these in the vise and we're going to get welding. Now I'll put this billet back in the forge to cool down slowly. Alright, so I went ahead and I made up 2 starting billets. 12 layers so far. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these up. I'm going to cut them into 4 sections each, so there will be 8 pieces. I'm going to re-weld those together. We're going to jump back in the forge to reforge weld them, draw them back out, so we can bring the layer count up a bit. Set the welds on the anvil. I'm going to gently set them on the press as well. Now that we're all forged out, I'm gonna hop on the grinder here and clamp the profile, take some of the scale off, and we will get a peek at the pattern hiding under there. I didn't do anything too extreme. Might be a little ladder patterning in there, but I wanted this one to be just pretty random. Surface grinding just to flatten everything out. A nice distal taper going on this piece. Now I'm just going to rough grind it so I can expose some of the pattern. I have one side rough ground. I'm really happy with how that turned out. Totally freehand grinding. And this is a darkening solution. It's not going to etch away a lot of the metal. It just darkens the high carbon. Now that looks pretty cool. We're going to do some close-ups of this because that looks awesome. Well, I finally got something that is pretty consistently ladder pattern. It's not a whole lot of contrast, but that pattern really looks awesome. Normalized. and thermocycled. Now I'm going to toss it into the oven here, bring it up to about 1480 degrees, and then we will quench it. Dagger is out of the quench. I have all the oil cleaned off. It's cool to the touch now, so I can show you the pattern really came through in the heat treat. And we are very, very straight. So I just need to temper it twice. And we can proceed with the finishing work. Now that is where I'm going to end this episode. I'm going to throw this in the oven, get it tempering twice. I'll do 2 times at 450 degrees. I want it to be very, very flexible and not risk any kind of breaking if poking it into something. I am going to plan the handle. I will have details on that in the next episode. I am really excited with how the pattern is looking on here. I have not done any Damascus daggers yet. I've done quite a bit of Damascus, but never a Damascus dagger, so I'm very, very excited to get that kind of under my belt and on display. This is going to be a really cool build, so I hope you follow along with me. It's the first episode. There will be several more at least. So if you like what you saw today, please like and subscribe. So I want to thank you for watching this episode. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I will catch you on the next episode. Let's make a knife.